Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have what I call the holy grail of Mopars. Guys, gals, this is a 1968 Dodge Charger RT, real car, real RT car. And it had originally a 440 engine, and now it has the 426 cubic inch HEMI V8, backed up 4-speed manual trans, Dana 60 power steering, power brakes. It's been rotisserie restored, real triple black Charger RT, guys. Like I did mention, it started its life off with a 440. It was a 4-year-long rotisserie restoration that took place at the previous owner's restoration shop. Under the hood, now the HEMI is the correct dated 426 V8 that is partnered up with an 18 Spline A833 4-speed manual transmission. Okay, and like I did say, the Dana 60 in the rear end, sure grip rear end, nice features, along with the power steering and the power brakes. The exterior, the body, the paint, it is as straight as can be. This paint job is a 10 out of a 10, guys. If the video is not clear enough for you, send me a text message and I can email this video directly to you, maybe for a better quality. The HEMI has the correct number plate casting date on it, 1/15/68, with a 2468330 number, which tells you it's the correct date code motor. The stock heads, dual 4-barrel carburetors. Front carb is number 1406, rear carb 1400. They're both 600 CFM. Tags and numbers are on the transmission showing that as well. Front suspension is independent. Front suspension independent, and rear suspension with the leaf springs. As you can see, the Magnum 515-inch wheels, good set of tires. We got 245/60 15s in the front and the 275s in the back. Excellent body and paint, guys. Beautiful red stripe there. This thing is laser straight and clean as can be. Underneath has been rotisserie restored underneath. I'll also get the car up on the lift when I get back to the shop to show you guys the magnificent restoration on the car. Big block HEMI underneath here. Did I say big block? I'm so used to Chevrolets. I don't get too many of these holy grail cars, guys. So it is a 426 HEMI. Big motor under the hood with the 4-speed. Beautiful car. I mean, you can just tell the restoration by looking right here. You see that frame, how nice and clean and crisp everything is underneath. Look at this. You see my logo too. Don't forget that. MGMClassicCars.com. Okay. Look at this beautiful interior. Like new. Buckets, console, gauges, Hurst shifter, excellent dash, weather stripping, headliner, package tray, seat belts, door sill plates, excellent door jambs and door panels. You know what? Let's fire this thing up. Actually, hold on a second. I didn't show you guys the trunk. Excellent. Trunk is all painted underneath the mats. It's gorgeous. No complaints underneath. Look at the fit and finish. It is straight. Look at this reflection. Okay, it's like glass. It's like glass. Tinted windows. Let's fire it up. 387 miles since the restoration. Let's check it out under the hood. Woo! Woo! Wow. Yes, the doors on the headlights do function. Let's go for a test drive. Okay, we're back in the car. I got turn signals working, headlights working, brake lights working, wipers working, radio functions, heat works, air conditioning works, speedo works, RPM tach works, temp gauge, oil gauge, fuel gauge. Everything is functional on my car. The only thing that I but it's not functional, is the horn at the present moment. And we will be fixing the horn, okay? Just to let you guys know. So, now, what I would like to do is take this puppy for a ride. And, let's see here. Horn, we're going to fix it. Okay. All right. Guys, even the clock works. And the light on the center console functions. I mean, you know, when you're paying good money for a top shelf car, everything must be right on the money. As you can see, it just drives nice and smooth and straight. The steering is tight. Brakes feel great on the car. This is why you buy a HEMI. That was only a quarter throttle. Oh man, I love it. All right, we're gonna head back to the dealership, guys. Turn signals on the hood, as you can see, they are functioning as well. Just an amazing car. We are going to drive in, get the car up on the lift. I want to take some photos for the photo shoot, and also show you guys a little bit underneath the car on how nice the rotisserie restoration was completed. Okay, be right back. All right, guys, back at the shop here as promised, underneath the '69 HEMI RT Charger. As you can see, beautiful restoration, brand new, well, restored. Brand new underneath, chrome gas tank. There's the big Dana. Check out that Dynamax setup. Beautiful frame rails throughout the car. Shocks, multi-leaf setup. Beautiful pans underneath. You can eat off the car. H-pipe dual exhaust. Everything in the front looks brand new, guys. Well, there you have it. My '68 Dodge Charger HEMI, the holy grail of muscle cars, now available here. Check it out. We have over 100 beautiful classics between two buildings here at MGM Classics. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share the page. Financing, we can finance up to $100,000 on this car. That's the max. If your credit score is between, well, in this one, 650 and higher, so let's say 650 to 739, you can put down 10 to 20% and borrow the money between 5 to 7% at mgmclassiccars.com. Application link, websites to go to. For those of you 740 or higher, rates are a little bit lower, starting at 2.5%, and that's directly at lightstream.com. If you need delivery, let me know. Enclosed carrier on this puppy is the only way to go. Text me your zip code and which car you're looking at, and I'll send over a quote for it. All my quotes for this car will be enclosed, but I would like for you guys to make that known there in the text message, okay? Or you can come and pick up the vehicle and drive her all the way back home with the cold air conditioning. It's not a problem. For those of you who do not text, you can call. If I don't answer, leave a message. So my name's Thomas. I'm here at mgmclassiccars.com. I can be reached at 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.